morning, everyone. So, to begin with, can you visit business.com, www.business.com, and we have the code. We have the code 181-2. Sinend po ako sa group chat. Paki-click po yung business.com live. I-click that one. Okay, to those who came in late, can you click the link that I am posting at the chat box? Okay, to those who came in late, please click the link that I'm posting at the top. Click the link na lang po, direct. Pag sa link na po mag-click, um, immediately ma-open mo na po. Pa lang po nakakapasok. Densely in red are now ready. So densely in red, please do not read anything on the cardboard found on your cell phone. Please
Ma'am, sir, hindi yung volume, sir.
okay, when you got entered in business.com, please do not scan anything. Just wait for the keys to come out. Lord, Lord is ready. Again, please do not scan the questions. Okay, marinig na ba ako?
Opo.
Apo.
Okay, so we have read densely, Lourdes, and Emilio. So again, please do not scan the questions. Please do not scan. Wait for the others to come in. So we have read densely, Lourdes, and Emilio. Again, to those who came in late, please click the link on the chat box, quizlet.com/live. Sino pa po ang hindi nakakapasok? Ashley, di ka pa po nakakapasok. Kapatid, Charis. Cyril. Okay, nakapasok na po si Ashley. Emilio, wala pa po. Andyan na po. Cristo. Jane. Nico. Charis, okay, pasok na po. 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8. We are 10 all in all. Kulang na lang dalawa, 9 players. Isa na lang. Okay, to those who came in late, please open the link on the chat box. Again, to those who came in late, please open the link on the chat box. Tibay, please pasok na po. Just open the link on the chat box. So medyo maingay ang aking background kasi merong flag ceremony sa labas. So, can we start now? Wala pa bang nakapasok? Meron pa bang hindi nakakapasok? Okay, wala na pong nag-reply. So maybe everything is in the game. So let's start the game now. So start game.
Sir, wala pa
Okay.
po.
Hala ka na, kuan ko na. Na final ko na. Okay, this is 10-minute game, so please don't get in a hurry. Huwag po magmadali. Huwag po magmadali. Dahil huwag mo na mag-internet. Hindi ako mag-internet. O, dito na ako. So, kung may problem po, please chat on the chat box. Nawala ako, sir. Wait lang po. Okay po. I think there is a little problem with the connection. Bumabalik po, no? Tama? Nawawala po kapag ang internet connection. Am I the same with the others? So,
Opo.
gitry ko din tayo sa akin, pag mawala yung connection, mag-back to 0. So, well, anyway, this is our first time to do this Quizlet. So, maybe I will not use this anymore next time. So, we have, sa mga nakapasok lang po, and naka-continue without internet connection, with good internet connection, we have Christoph as our winner. And our third place is ako pala ang third place. Ako nag-answer. Nagsagot man din kasi ako. So we have Bison for the second. I don't know whose name is this. So thank you everyone for participating with our pretest. Well, anyway, this is just pretest. This is the topic that we will be discussing today. So let's proceed now with our PowerPoint presentation. So as you can see, that is a live quiz by quizlet.com. And medyo mahirap lang kasi nga live quiz siya. Pag walang mahinang internet, mag-back to 0 ka. So we are now on module number 3. Translating English phrases and sentences to mathematical phrases and sentences. So para siyang gibaliktad-baliktad lang. From English sentence to mathematical sentence, then mathematical sentence to English phrase, then mathematical phrase to a sentence. So we are now on day number 1. Please copy the title of our module number 3, please. Can you get your notebook and copy our title of module number 3. So to those who have vacant space on their cell phone, you may download Quizlet on the App Store or Google Play or Huawei Play Store, basta ganun. So narinig pa ba ako? Sabi po ni Christoph, mahina daw ang boses. Am I still clear?
Okay na.
Opo, sir.
So maybe because of the connection, because of the weather today. So done with the title?
Wala pa po.
Ashley, kindly copy the title. So I will proceed na for the next. Yung i-download po is quizlet.com. Quizlet lang. Or type mo lang yung Quizlet. So we are now on lesson number 1, translating English phrase and sentences into mathematical phrases and sentences. So what's new? Game number 2, PT number 5. So in this game, you are going to tally your score. 2 points for the correct one, 1 point for the incorrect one. So plus, minus, times, at saka divide lang yung isusulat. Alam niyo naman sa keyboard niyo sa inyong cellphone, di ba, kung saan dyan ang plus, yung minus, times, at saka yung slash. Slash is divide, x is times, yung letter x is times, minus, then plus. So, ready?
ko ulit, sir.
Again, tingnan nyo lang, plus is plus, minus yung dash, x is times, yung x na letter x sa yung cellphone, then slash is divide. So,
Sir, Quizlet, sir.
wait lang, hanapin ko muna ang game. For a while. Week 3, day 1. Okay, tulad po nito na nakita niyo sa inyong screen, pag mayroon pong lumabas na, for example, the word is multiply. So you're going to write X. Tama? Kasi nga multiply siya. So meron pong word na magpa-flash. Tapos, i-kuha nyo lang siya. I-type nyo lang yung plus, minus, X. At saka, so, kindly open. Paano ba to? Wait lang ha. I-share ko muna yung activity for a while. Customize. Paano ko ganito ginawa kagabi ha? For a while kasi nakalimutan ko. Gravity. Okay, please open the link on the chat box, please. May nakapasok ba? Please. May nakapasok ba?
Bawal, sir.
Oo nga din, bawal din sa cellphone ko. Pero na-try ko to kagabi eh. Ay, kasi sa akin, merong Quizlet na app. Sige lang, ito na lang. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen. Gawin nyo na lang sa notebook. Sulat nyo yung plus, minus, times, or divide. Okay, yun na lang po. Kay hindi talaga makapasok dahil nga unprepared. Di ko nasabi pala sa inyo na i-download yung quizlet.com. So anyway, punta tayo dito. So ipe-play natin yung Quizlet. Makita ba sa inyong monitor?
Opo. Opo.
Okay, i-type nyo lang kung plus, isulat nyo lang sa inyong notebook, write numbers 1 to 10. Pakisulat, PT number 5. Pakisulat po, PT number 5, tapos 1 to number 10. We are now on performance task number 5. Please number your notebook 1 to 10 and we will start. Meron pong word sa labas. Piliin nyo lang po kung ano po ito, kung plus, minus, or divide. And times. Okay, start. Let us start the game. So the first word is
Ratio.
ratio.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Next. Subtracted by. Number 2 is subtracted by.
Oh. One, two, three, four. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next, plus.
Less than.
So the answer is plus. Next, check your own
Diminished
paper.
by.
Check your own paper. Decreased by, number 4 na, decreased by. We are on decreased by. And the answer is minus. Check your own paper ha. Next, number 5 na po. The difference of. Check your own paper. And the answer is, the correct answer is minus. Next, diminished by. Number 6 na po. Diminished by. And the answer is still minus. Number 7, less than. Less than. And the answer is still minus.
1, 2, 15. 18.
Still less than. The answer is
Diminished by.
still minus for number 8. So, hindi nag-flash yung dalawang question. Uy, I'm sorry class, I'm not prepared for this. I never thought na mag-error siya ng ganito. So well, anyway, you download quizlet.com on your cellphone.
Plus.
Still space. Hindi ko kasi alam na hindi siya mag-function pag walang quizlet.com. So I'm sorry for the unprepared activity that we have today. So well, anyway, based on the activities that we have, as you have seen on the monitor, ano po yun siya, yung plus, minus, divide, ano po yun siya? What is that all about? Yung naka-flash ang screen, what is that all about? Ano kayang lesson natin ngayon? Aside sa na-reveal na yung title, what do you think is our lesson for this day? Anyone?
English phrases and sentences to mathematical phrases.
Yes, yan po yung title ng ating lesson. Pero ano nga ba ang gagawin natin aside sa yung title na yan? Magkakaroon ba tayo ng, from the word translation, ano kayang ibig sabihin nun? From the word
Translation of words.
into what? Into
Words. Number.
into tulad ng ginawa ko itong plus minus, ano tawag niyan?
Translate.
Yeah.
Mathematical phrases.
Yes, that is mathematical phrases. In this case, today we will be discussing how to translate an English word into a mathematical phrase or a mathematical phrase into an English word. So, sa addition po, ito po yung mga statement na ginagamit. We have plus, the symbol, addition, plus, increased by, added to, the sum of, and more than. So, please copy. That is the words being used to determine if it is addition or plus or add. So, yan po yung ginagamit. Usually, the sum of. From the word sum, ibig sabihin yung answer sa pag-add. More than, di ba ang more than is yung symbol niya yung if you look at on the screen on the whiteboard, ganito ang more than, tama? But in mathematics, when you see more than, it's not just like this. It means that we are also going to add it. So, ganun po siya. Next, added to. From the word added to, iba po ang added to sa added from. Magkaiba po yan. Example. This one. To is added, 3 is added from 2. Nakuha nyo? 3 is added from 2. So, from, ibig sabihin siya, pumalik siya sa kabila. So, 3 is added from 2. So, ganun po. Magkaiba po ang added to sa added from. Okay, are you done?
Opo.
Okay na po? May I proceed now? Okay, next. The next one is the mathematical statement of minus or subtraction. So it uses the word subtraction, minus, decreased by, subtracted from, less than, and diminished by. So as you could see, the word less than is also used here. Less than is ganito po. But mathematically speaking, it is not only like this, but it can be also used as minus. So that is less than. Diminished by, ibig sabihin po ng diminished by, bumaba ng or nawala ng. Ganun po. Less than is binawasan, subtracted from, binawasan mula, decreased by, nabawasan ni, minus is subtract or sabihin nating kinaltas, and subtraction is also kaltas. So ganun po ang mathematical statement for minus. Okay, next. May I proceed now?
Po.
So may I proceed?
Opo.
Okay, the next is multiplication. And it uses the following symbols. X or times. Pwede din siyang parentheses or pwede din siyang tuldok. Pero yung tuldok nasa gitna, hindi na sa baba. Usually, di ba, pag ang tuldok po, for example, nag-end po tayo ng statement natin, nagsulat tayo ng isang statement like, run now. So, tuldok, di ba dyan? So, pag sinabi mo pong multiply, ang tuldok niya, 2 sa gitna times 3. Ganyan po. So, that is the difference of period and times. So, what if nilagay ko po siya ng ganito? 2 dito tapos 3. So, it means that this one is a point. 2.3 or decimal. Pero pag ganito po, it means multiply. We are going to times it or we are going to do the operation times. And the word used to mean a multiply is multiplication times multiplied by and the product of. When you are asked what is the product, meaning you are going to multiply the two numbers or the three or more numbers. Ganun po ibig sabihin yan. Sometimes naman po, it is not just parentheses is being used. Gumagamit din po ng, this is what you call bracket, and this is what you call braces. Minsan gumagamit po ng ganyan. Hindi lang siya parentheses, we have bracket and also braces. Meaning, multiply po yan. Okay? What happened kaya? Bakit kaya mahina ang aking boses?
Lakas naman po, sir. Lakas po sa akin ang boses mo.
Okay. Baka Ashley, double check mo lang yung headphone, baka hindi nakasaksak ng maayos. Okay, please copy the mathematical symbol multiply. Okay, the next one is, tapos na po tayo sa plus, sa subtract, sa multiply. What comes next? Ano po kaya ang after sa multiply? If you have the idea, you may type on the chat box. Anyone? Kung meron pong multiply, may times, anong sunod? We have Christoph, we have divide, and Charis, the symbol should be divide. So we are now going to use divide as our symbol or slash. That is, to divide means division divided by the ratio or the quotient of. When you are asked to do, what is the quotient? Meaning, you are going to divide the two numbers or the different numbers. When you say naman ratio of, ibig sabihin, i-divide yan siya. Fraction is also divide. Kaya paminsan, pag sinabi sa inyong the fraction of, ibig sabihin, i-divide nyo din po siya. Sorry talaga class ha, I was not prepared for the game. I never thought it will happen like that. Na-try ko man yan siya kagabi, ay yung Saturday, pero nag-function man siya sa cellphone ko. Yun pala, naka-install kasi sa cellphone ko yung quiz. Unlike sa inyo na wala pa naka-install. So if you have time or if you have still space on your cell phone, you may download Quizlet on your Google Play or Play Store or App Store or Huawei Store. Tapos i-register nyo lang yung email po ninyo. Okay, let's proceed. We're done with the mathematical symbols. Not yet? Okay. So, may marami pa pong operations. Sa mathematics po, 4 lang pong basic operations. But when you got into college, masyashock na lang kayo, meron pa palang iba. Tulad ng circle, that is an operation. But that is in higher mathematics. And you call that one as abstract mathematics, or the highest form of mathematics, the abstraction. Circle O, circle dot, circle plus, circle times. So, tayo sa next one. The next one is equals. When you say equals, meaning they are the same. And it uses the words equals or equal to is equal to, and the same as. Meaning naman po ng equals, they are the same. They are equally the same. So, equivalent, pwede nyo pong idagdag ang word na equivalent. So, this is equals, and this is the symbol for similar. Similar is ground off, ang equals is wala po ground off. But they are just almost the same in meaning. Again, similar is rounded off, equals is hindi. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. We have unequal. When meaning naman ng unequal, they are not the same. For example, nag-solve kayo. Tapos, ang sagot nyo is, ang given is 20t. Tapos, ito yung dapat answer. Pero pag solve nyo, hanggang nakaganyan na kayo, the answer is 21. So, hindi sila equal. So, ang ilalagay ninyo, 23 is not equal to 21. Again, ito yung target nyo, 23 yung target nyo, pero pag solve nyo, ang sagot nyo is 21. So, ang ilalagay ninyo, 23 is not equal to 21. Ganun po. And that is not equal to. And the symbol is, para lang siyang equals na gi-erase or gi-cancelled. So, everything na numbers na, or everything na symbol na merong slash is meaning not. For example, ang word na similar, pag ganyan, ibig sabihin they are not similar. Pag nilagyan siya ng slash. Equals, nilagyan ng slash, they are not similar. Another thing, circle, pag slash, not circle. So those are the examples. Why is it called not equal to? Okay, next. The mathematical phrases, the sum of A and 3. So what is that all about? Yung the sum of A and 3. I would like you to copy first the examples. Those are the examples. Copy muna, tapos lagyan ng space sa gilid tulad ng ginawa ko. So, kopyahin nyo muna, tapos lagyan nyo lang ng space sa gilid para sa answer. Okay, ready na? So we have the first one, the sum of A and 3. So what is that all about? When you say sum, what is the operation? Just type on the chat box, please. Sum. So when you say sum, that according to Christoph, that is add. So in the sum of A plus 3, the answer there is the sum. So plus, kasi sum nga po. Plus the sum of A and 3. And that is now the answer. So what if binaliktad mo? 3 plus A, ginanyan mo. Mali po. Nakuha. So that is wrong. So the sum of A and 3. A and 3. The sum of A and 3. Okay? Copy the answer for number 1 or the sum of A and 3. Next, 8 more than P. Okay, 8 more than P naman. What is that? 8 more than P. So pag 8 more than P, okay, pag gumamit po ng word na more than at saka less than, isulat po natin siya ng pabaliktad. Again, take note of this. Kapag gumamit po ng word na more than o kaya less than, pabaliktad po ang pagsulat natin. And that is addition also. Tulad ng sinabi ni Densley and Cyril. So, 8 more than P. Again, pabaliktad po pagsulat. 8 more than, wala nang aking class, more than P. Yan po. 8 more than P. Pabaliktad po pagsulat. 8 more than P. Yes po, good morning ma'am. May klase ako ma'am. Pwede after 1 hour na lang ma'am. Okay po.
Online po ikaw, sir.
Saglit lang talaga ma'am, kaya nag-klase ako online.
Sige, nag-check kasi yung anak ko, sir, mag-online daw.
Maglipat na siya ngayon ma'am.
Opo, kanina pa siya nag-hintay, sir.
Sige. Mag-text na lang ako after nito ma'am para makapasok siya sa second subject.
Okay. Salamat po, sir.
Sige po.
Ulan na nga.
Okay, class, may bago kayong classmate. I don't know her name yet, but she want to be your classmate daw. I actually not. May 4 na nandagdag, pero I don't know kung sa akin section ilalagay. So, P plus 8, that is 8 more than P. Again, when you heard the word more than or less than, at saka greater than or less than, pabaliktad po sila always pag sulat. Greater than, less than, more than, yun po. Pabaliktad pag sulat. Take note of that ha, pabaliktad, huwag kalimutan. Pabaliktad na mo, wag lang yung baliktad na sinasabi ko. The square of R. The square of R naman ganito. Ano po ibig sabihin ng square? Anyone? Ano po ibig sabihin ng square? Sabi po ni Christoph, that is times. Yes, that is times. That is true. The square of R is R. Wala talaga ako. R squared. For a while, hanapin ko lang yung marker ko. Dahil pakiwagod ng marker na pula dyan sa kuan, board. So, R squared. Ganyan po. Bakit siya multiply? Ibig sabihin kasi ng R squared is you are going to multiply R ng 2 beses. So, magiging R times R na siya. So, yan po ibig sabihin ng R squared. So, very good. Ano color lang? So, that is now an R squared. So, very good for that. So, please copy the answer. Okay, next. 6 subtracted from B. 6 subtracted from B. 6 daw, i-subtract kanino? From B. So, kanino siya i-subtract? Kay B. So, from. Take note of the word, ang from, laging nauuna. Ang to, laging nasa huli. So, ang from kanino? From dito nag-start, papunta kay to. Diyan nag-start. Yan po ibig sabihin ng from and to. So, the word is 6 subtracted from B. 6, i-subtract daw siya kay B. From what? 6 subtracted from what? From B. Baliktad po. Kung 6 okay, 6 subtracted from B. So, ganito magsulat. So, sometimes nakakalito tulad ng nangyari sa akin ngayon. Ubos na ang aking ink. Ganyan po. 6 subtracted from B. Bakit siya ang 6? Saan ba siya gisubtract? From B. Kasi kung dito ko nilagay ang B sa kabila, 2 yun siya. 6 subtracted to B. Nagets nyo? 6 subtracted from B. So, ganun po. Do not be confused by from and to like what happened right now. Okay, please copy the answer for 6 subtracted from B. Next, 4 less than Y. Okay, how are we going to write this one? 4 less than. Less than is minus. And 4 less than Y is? Sige daw, you type on the chat box. 4 less than Y. The word is less than. Take note, pag sinabing less than, greater than, more than, and yun siya, pabaliktad pagsulat. 4 less than Y. Christoph, what is that? 4 minus Y. Baliktad po, pabaliktad sulat. Again, 4 less than Y. So it should be written as 4 less than Y or Y minus 4. Tama po, Lord and Tres. Next, 4 less Y. 4 less Y. Ano po yan? The word is less is minus. 4 less Y. Okay, type your answer in the chat box. 4 less Y. Sabi po ni Tres, 4 minus Y. Christoph, 4 minus Y. Pwede ko ba siyang ibaliktad, yung 4 less Y? 4 less Y. That is 4 minus Y. That is correct. Pero pwede ko ba siyang ibaliktad? Tulad nito? 4 less Y? Hindi po. Kasi po ang pagbasa nito, Y less 4 o kaya 4 less than Y. Ganun po pagkasulat. That is very good, Tres. No. Next, number 7 naman, the product of 5 and C. From the word product, we are talking about multiply. So, the product of 5C is 5 times C. And a combination of number and letter, pwedeng i-shortcut. Again, kapag mag-multiply po, combination ng letter at saka number, or variable and numerical coefficient, pwede siyang i-shortcut 5C. Alisin na yung symbol na that. Because multiply is invisible. Okay? Next. The quotient of M and 8. Quotient is divide. The quotient of M and 8. The quotient of M and 8. Yan po. Or we could write that one as M over 8. Or M divided by 8. So, ganyan po. Pwede yun siyang isulat ng ganyan. So, please copy for the quotient of M and 8. Okay, next. Proceed tayo sa matching type. So, I'm not really good in Quizlet Live. But we will do our best na makasagot tayo. Well, anyway, I'll be presenting it on the screen para makita ninyo, para hindi kayo anytime na mawala kayo sa answer, makita nyo lang siya sa screen. Well, anyway, there is always a room for errors in every first time of using. So we are going to answer using Quizlet.com again with the difficulty that I have doing right now. For a while, I'm still oops. Okay, as you could see on the, hindi na tayo mag-Quizlet kasi alam ko mawawala tayo. So, for 1 to 14, kindly answer this one. Okay, 1 to 14 po, makisagutan. Just write your letters of the answers from the, I know class, it's already time pala, so we cannot proceed na. It's 9:02. Meron pa kayong other subjects. Okay? So, ay wait lang. Today is Monday, right class? Yung sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-claim ng kanilang modules, you may claim it on the school because I'm at school for Mondays to Fridays starting this week. Tapos po, this will be just your assignment na lang. Pakipicturean sa inyong screen or screenshot para masagutan po ninyo sa inyong bahay. Please answer this one sa inyong bahay and this will be your assignment for tomorrow. So, screenshot lang po or picturean. So, I hope you enjoy our class and thank you for participating. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye po, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello? Okay. Okay. Ay, naku, yan yung result ng naka-prepare kagabi ba? Na? Nagpak lahat ng activity. Bakit? Hmm? Palpak lahat. What do you mean? Palpak lahat. Yung pila. Ay, shit! Ano? Palpak lahat ng activities ko, hindi ako naka-prepare kagabi. Tapos reported pa yun. Record? Record. Pati ikaw yung record niya. Hindi ako kita sa camera niya. Kalimutan ko yung log out.